Hi guys, it's Hope Brazel back with another Everyday GCPA video. Today I will be doing something a little different. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some basics of a Cockney accent. Hopefully this will be the first video of a mini series where I will do other different accents with you guys. But today we will be starting with Cockney. So the Cockney accent is general to the southeast of England and East London. So it's a very specific area that speaks this way. A very specific people. It's seen as a way that the working class people talk, or a lower class of people talk, as opposed to British, where people speak more proper. So yeah, here we go. Let's jump into it. So the TH sound. First thing, the TH sound, th, that we pronounce with our tongue out, th, they will turn into an F or a V or sometimes a D. So thing will become fing with an F. Thing becomes fing. 3, the number 3, will turn into free. Free. Like the word we pronounce free, like I'm free, it would be the number 3. With a TH will become with a V. I'm with my friends. Weather will become weather. Weather. The weather is lovely today. Yeah, so, and then we have this phrase, this math thing's a lot of bother. So, the word this, they'll pronounce with a D. Dis. Dis math thing's a lot of bother. Yeah? So the D at the beginning of this, dis, the F at the end of math, math, the F at the beginning of thing, things, and then a lot bother, that V in the middle of bother. Dis math thing's a lot of bother. And that brings me to our next basic, is they, when a T is in the middle of a word, it has a glottal stop. And a glottal stop is that sound you get when you go, uh-oh, uh-oh. So in words like better, it would be better. The glottal stop those 2 T's. And then water will be water. What like merging those two words together. Water kind of sounds like water. Kind of has 2 different meanings. Or a lot of. So try this phrase with me here. What a lot of bother. 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 And that brings me to another basic. They drop their ERs at the end of words and make them A's, and they're very wide A's. So bother it's not bother, it's bother. It's bother. What a lot of bother. What a lot of bother. So or mother, water, better, all those words. And then this next one, they will turn their L sounds into W's. So well becomes well. Ball becomes bow. Bow. In film becomes film. Film. That one's a little hard. The next one is they drop their H's at the beginning of words. So hand becomes and, hate becomes ate. A phrase that we do with our minis in Wouldn't It Be Lovely is lots of co making lots of eight. Lots of co making lots of eight. Yeah. And then I'm kind of plowing through these here. The ing sound at the end of words, they drop the G, so it's an in. Instead of sitting, it's sittin'. Making is making. Taking is taken. And I think a lot of other accents will do that too sometimes. And then, last but not least, this is the that iconic Eliza Doolittle, My Fair Lady. The O turns into ow. So, ow, I didn't know they were calling, or what's the, ow, that's why they call him Captain. Yeah, or, over the rooftops. Over the rooftops. Things like that. So, yes, those are our basics for a Cockney accent, and I'm sure there are some other little details that you could stick in there to make it more specific. But yeah, those are our basics. Thank you guys for listening in, and I challenge you to share your favorite accent to do, maybe one that you have learned in a show, or your favorite sentence to say in a Cockney accent, because they are very fun. Some of them are very fun to say. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Stay safe and healthy and sane and have fun with this. Bye guys.